Hello guys, the world of My Hero Academia is the home to some of the most unique and powerful superheroes in all of the comics, whether it is the explosive power of Bakugo Cork Explosion or the impressive and all-encompassing power of Midoriya Cork, one for all. There are some truly capable Cork dispersed throughout UA student body, the heroes that is there and the villain trying to tear it all down. We will go over some of the most powerful Cork throughout the manga and the anime. So for anyone trying to avoid spoiler, now may be the time to bow out until you are caught up. So let's roll the intro.
Don't recognize him. But if he thinks he can take us down easy, he's dead. Let's shut him down!
While Eraserhead may be a powerful hero in his own right, it is not his quirk that make him so powerful. Having the ability to shut down the quirk of any person you are looking at can be very helpful so long as you don't need to blink or look away. Izuku is the quick to point out the Eraserhead quirk is best suited to taking on villain one-on-one or while fighting from the shadows. It is the Eraserhead commitment to training and becoming better than what his quirk can offer that makes him a truly fantastic hero. Wait. Maybe his persistence to becoming and remaining a great hero is the real quirk that driving him forward. Now in the next we have
逃がさないぞ。
いや、いずくならって考えたろ。
Using the power to create a vortex that can absorb anything and turn it into a dust may seem like a pretty amazing ability, and while it certainly has its uses, like when it comes to saving the lives of people trapped in the debris after some sort of natural disaster, there are definitely some drawbacks. For the starter, it appears as though 13 need a special suit to control and contain the power held within the suit. Now in the 8th position we have
大丈夫。僕がいる。
俺たちの一人に考えてもらう。俺たちは勝つつもりだ。
おいたがす。
けるの始まったばかり。
While being able to turn any one of your enemies into dust with a simple touch of all 5 fingers may seem like a powerful quirk, it is also quite flawed. For the starter, this quirk can only be utilized in very close quarter. It also appears that Shigaraki does not have much control over the quirk, which will understandably make living a normal life difficult. There is still a lot that we don't know about Shigaraki and his quirk, so it is possible that he makes great abilities or control beyond what we have seen already, but until then he will just have to keep training.
次は俺たちだ。
緑谷たちも来てんのか。
無視すんな。大体なんでてめえがここにいんだよ。
招待受けた。仮面の補修どうすんだ。
うるせえ。てめえには関係ねえだろ。
油断すんなよ。
While Bakugo has always been one to boast about how powerful and naturally gifted he is, once he began attending UA, his world opened up quite a bit. Explosion allow Bakugo to secrete and ignite nitroglycerin on command. While he may not seem like it at first, Bakugo is skilled far beyond his quirk. He is willing to learn from his enemies and improves throughout the course of battle just as Midoriya does. It is going to take a lot more if he is going to compete as a pro after leaving a UA.
轟少年を救おうと。
勝ちてえくせに。
Much like Bakugo, Todoroki has had a strange relationship with his power from a young age. While Bakugo began to view his power as a pedestal that will lift up him to star status like his hero, All Might, Todoroki learned to view his power as more a burden that linked him to his father. For the most of his young life, Todoroki has struggled to unite with the part of his power that connect to his father. However, now that Izuki has helped Todoroki begin to move past that inner conflict and connect with a power that never began to his father in the first place, we are sure to see much more from the talented young hero.
こんな人気のない山奥に
この2日間
隠密行動にはもってこいの能力だ。
早急な確保を求む。
グラントリノ。
分かってるい。
It is a shame that someone with such a unique and powerful gift that has seemingly decided focus slowly on his quirk and avoid training the rest of his body. While Kurogiri Wrap Gate is truly impressive ability in the world of My Hero Academia, there is not much else that impressive about Kurogiri. This may simply be because we have yet to really get peak of what Kurogiri is capable of, but the level of ability we have seen so far in the anime isn't much to be impressed with. It does seem that the villains are beginning to ramp up their effect against the heroes, so perhaps audience will see what Kurogiri is really capable of.
君が不安を感じるようであれば。
Did you come to kill me?
No. I thought of something you'll hate even more than that.
Overall is a villain to be a warrior of, much like All for One. When your quirk is what you call yourself, there is a bound to be some power behind it. Overall has the ability to disassemble and reassemble any all matter around him with a simple toss. That means that he basically can do anything he wants. If he wants to disassemble the body part of enemies to incapacitate them or kill, he can. Should he become injured and need to restart his own arms or perhaps merge his body with that of another. Well, sure, why not? Kinda gross but crazy powerful. Kirk Rewind allow her to rewind a person's physical body to any previous state. That means that she can undo any damage done to someone's body or keep Izuki from destroying his body while using All for One at 100%. That's all fun and game until you accidentally rewind someone you love out of existence and get captured by someone who realizes he can use your DNA to take quirks away from average citizen. Tough break.
足す筋骨バネか。この組み合わせは楽しいな。だからここは逃げろと。
逃がさん。
コマ持ってよ。
I'm sure there are someone out there that will argue that because All for One actually created One for All, it must be stronger, especially when you take into consideration that All for One can become whatever he chooses. He is clearly capable of taking many quirks and holding them within himself, as well as freely being able to pass them along to anyone he chooses. Yet even with that immense power, he has been unable to defeat All Might, and as the series point out at very beginning, he will eventually lose to Izuki. All for One major flaw is that in order to take something, it must first destroy what came before, whereas One for All is the gift that keeps on giving.
それが最後の一振りだね、オールマイト。
行くぞ。
はい。
As the series illustrates time and time again, All Might is the strongest and most trusted public hero. But as the series begins, we really start to see his decline, both physically and spiritually, when Izuki takes on the power of One for All after chewing down some premium All Might here. His fate is sealed. Very early on, Koi Horikoshi hint that Izuki uses One for All very differently than All Might use it. It is only natural that Izuki would unlock aspects of this power that All Might never would have thought to use. Apparently, when you have the kind of devastating strength, speed and control, you don't really need to think outside the box. Who knew?